We are going to learn about the panels on your left hand controller, which you can see. This is the tools panel, this is your brush, and this is your colors panel. For now, I'm just going to explain the color picker and your brush panel. So firstly, here you have all different kinds of brush which you can access, and also here we have the directional keys with which you can have more access to different kind of brushes. So after you're satisfied, just select the brush whichever you want and you can start sketching. Okay, so this is the only function on your brush panel. Next will go into the color picker. So here you can see the color wheel and also the color stick by which you can change the color. Okay, next we have the small cube icon. With this you are able to change the preset of your color wheel. So here you can see a small plus icon. So if you press this, the current color which you are selecting right now will be saved here, and with this you can make various color palettes according to your preference and your artwork. So here you can see all the colors are getting saved. And lastly we have the icon with the dice, which is also called jitter. So if you press this, here you can see these options called hue, saturation, brightness, size, and position will be shown. So let me just change the brush. Okay, now okay, let's see an example with the hue. So if I increase this and if I sketch, here you can see the colors will be randomized and give you different hues similarly to different options, like for example the size. If I start sketching, here you can see this will give me different variation of sizes of your brush. Okay, so this is the basic function of your jitter option.